Hello and welcome to another session on HTML series. We have covered quite a lot in past 3 sessions which you may want to check out. In the earlier sessions we started from the beginning of what is HTML to different tags and associated attributes. In this session we will look into one such element, image or img tag. Please note that in order to have hands-on experience, replace the name and path of the image you want to display in the code provided in description. Images are the most prominent element of our HTML page. It catches user attention and can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. In HTML, images are defined with the img tag. The img tag is empty, it contains attributes only, and does not have a closing tag. This means that img tag does not have a container for the text to surround, instead it has attributes to display texts in certain situations. img tag contains the src attribute, which specifies the URL, web address, of the image or location of image on local disk. img src equals URL. img src equals u.r.l. The out attribute. The out attribute provides an alternate text for an image, if the user for some reason cannot view the image displayed on the HTML page because of slow connection, an error in the src attribute, or any other reason. The value of the out attribute should describe the image is. For example, img src equals image.jpg out equals a alternate text. If a browser cannot find an image, it will display the value of the out attribute is. It should be noted that the out attribute is required. A web page will not validate correctly without it. Image size, width and height. It is not necessary to display an image in original size always. We can use the style attribute to specify the width and height of an image. For example, img src equals i.m.g underscore resized.jpg out equals resized image style equals width is 200 pixels, height is 400 pixels. Another way of achieving this is by using the width and height attributes is. For example, img src equals i.m.g underscore width underscore height.jpg out equals girl in a jacket width equals 500 height equals 600. The width and height attributes always defines the width and height of the image in pixels. Defining width and height of an image is a best practice to avoid misalignment and format issues. Images in another folder. By default the browser searches the image in the same folder as the web page or HTML document is. However, we can store images in a subfolder. To point the img tag to the correct location of the image, define subfolder path and src attribute, along with the image name. Example: img src equals /images /subfolder underscore image.gif out equals this image is in subfolder style equals width is 128 pixels, height is 128 pixels. Images on another server. Sometimes the image referenced on the web page can be on different server altogether to save space. These images can be accessed from their path in form of URL. For example, img src equals path of image.jpg out equals image on different server. Animated images. HTML supports animated images called GIFs. These images appeared in animated format on web page. The syntax of defining the GIFs are same as any other image. For example, img src equals animated.gif out equals animated image style equals width is 48 pixels, height is 48 pixels. Image as a link. Like text links, images can also be used as links to different web pages. This can be achieved quite easily with surrounding img tag with anchor tag. This will convert plain image to a link. Example: Anchor ref equals new underscore page.html. imgsrc equals linking image.gif out equals link to new page style equals width is 42 pixels, height is 42 pixels, border is 0. Image floating. Float property of style attribute. An image tag can be used to display image on the right or left of the text. Example. Paragraph tag imgsrc equals right underscore side underscore image.gif out equals image displayed right of text style equals float is right, width is 42 pixels, height is 42 pixels. The image will float to the right of the text. imgsrc equals left underscore side underscore image.gif out equals image displayed left of text style equals float is left, width is 42 pixels, height is 42 pixels. The image will float to the left of the text. Image maps. In order to make different part of images to respond differently to clicks, use the map tag to define an image map. An image map is an image with clickable areas with different behavior on click areas like a clickable map. Example. imgsrc equals solarsystem.jpg out equals map use map equals ss map. Map name equals ss map. Area shape equals rectangle coordinates out equals sunref equals sun.htm. Area shape equals rectangle coordinates out equals earthref equals earth.htm. Area shape equals circle coordinates out equals moonref equals moon.htm. The name attribute of the map tag is associated with the img's useMap attribute and creates a relationship between the image and the map. The map tag contains a number of area tags that defines the clickable areas in the image map. Well done! You have learned to place images in HTML. To find out more, visit links in the description. Which topic you want us to cover next? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Like and subscribe for more videos.